Ghana. A small nation nestled along the Gulf of Guinea, Ghana boasts a history as rich and vibrant as its colorful kente cloth. Known as the Gold Coast during the colonial era, Ghana was a major source of gold and, tragically, a hub for the transatlantic slave trade. Today, Ghana stands as a beacon of democracy and progress in West Africa, its spirit undimmed by the shadows of the past. This is Ghana, a land of vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and resilient people. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the heart and soul of this remarkable nation. Ghana's diverse geography is a testament to nature's artistry, a canvas painted with vibrant hues and varied textures. Along the Atlantic coast, golden beaches stretch as far as the eye can see, kissed by the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Guinea. These beaches are not just a sight to behold, but a haven for relaxation and recreation, where the rhythmic waves create a soothing symphony. Coconut trees sway gently in the breeze, their fronds whispering tales of sun-drenched days and starlit nights. These trees stand as silent sentinels, witnessing the ebb and flow of time, their presence a reminder of the tropical paradise that is Ghana. Venture further inland, and the landscape transforms dramatically. The coastal plains give way to rolling hills and verdant valleys, each turn revealing a new facet of Ghana's natural beauty. The Volta River, Ghana's lifeline, snakes its way through the heart of the country, its waters reflecting the azure sky above. This mighty river supports countless communities, providing water for agriculture, fishing, and daily life, weaving a tapestry of human and natural interaction. To the east, the Togo mountain range rises majestically, its peaks often shrouded in mist, lending an air of mystique to the landscape. These mountains are not just geological formations, but are steeped in cultural significance, home to ancient traditions and stories passed down through generations. From the sun-kissed beaches to the misty mountaintops, Ghana's landscapes are a feast for the senses, an invitation to explore and discover. Each region offers a unique experience, a chance to connect with nature and immerse oneself in the rich tapestry of Ghana's natural heritage. Ghana's history is a captivating tapestry woven from threads of ancient kingdoms, colonial struggles, and the triumphant struggle for independence. This West African nation has a rich and diverse heritage that dates back centuries. The journey to independence was long and arduous, marked by significant events and figures who played pivotal roles in shaping the nation's destiny. Long before the arrival of Europeans, powerful kingdoms like the Ashanti, the Bonoman, and the Dagbon flourished in the region. These kingdoms were known for their advanced social structures, rich cultural practices, and impressive achievements in art and architecture. The Ashanti Kingdom in particular was renowned for its wealth, military prowess, and intricate gold craftsmanship. The Bonoman and Dagbon also contributed significantly to the region's cultural and economic landscape. The arrival of Europeans in the 15th century, initially the Portuguese, marked a turning point in Ghana's history. The Europeans were drawn by the region's abundant resources, especially gold, which led to the area being dubbed the Gold Coast. The allure of gold, ivory, and tragically, human beings fueled the transatlantic slave trade, casting a dark shadow over the region. This period saw the forced migration and suffering of countless Africans, leaving an indelible mark on the nation's history. On March 6, 1957, Ghana, formerly the Gold Coast, achieved independence, becoming the first sub-Saharan African nation to break free from colonial rule. This historic event was spearheaded by visionary leaders like Kwame Nkrumah, who inspired a generation with his call for freedom and self-governance. This momentous occasion resonated across the continent, igniting a flame of hope and self-determination. Ghana's independence became a beacon for other African nations, inspiring a wave of liberation movements that swept across the continent in the following decades. Ghana's cultural landscape is as diverse as its geography, a vibrant tapestry woven from the traditions of over 100 ethnic groups. Each group, with its unique language, customs, and artistic expressions, contributes to the rich cultural mosaic that is Ghana. The Ashanti, known for their intricate kente cloth and powerful golden stools, represent the largest ethnic group. The Yu, residing primarily in the Volta region, are renowned for their vibrant drumming and dance traditions. Music and dance are integral to Ghanaian culture, expressions of joy, sorrow, and everything in between. From the colorful festivals to the intricate craftsmanship of traditional artisans, Ghanaian culture is a celebration of life, heritage, and community. The fabric of society, community, faith, and food. At the heart of Ghanaian society lies a deep respect for community, a strong sense of family, and an unwavering faith. Life in Ghana revolves around the extended family, with multiple generations often living together under one roof. Elders are revered for their wisdom and experience, their guidance sought after in matters both big and small. Religion plays a pivotal role in the lives of most Ghanaians. Christianity and Islam are the two dominant faiths, coexisting harmoniously and influencing many aspects of daily life. Food is another cornerstone of Ghanaian culture, a celebration of flavors, textures, and aromas. Nature's bounty, climate, ecosystems, and biodiversity. Ghana is blessed with a tropical climate, characterized by warm temperatures year-round and distinct wet and dry seasons. This varied climate, combined with Ghana's diverse topography, supports a rich tapestry of ecosystems and a remarkable array of biodiversity. Along the coast, mangrove forests provide crucial habitat for a variety of fish, crabs, and birds. Further inland, rainforests, once covering vast swaths of the country, are home to an astonishing diversity of plant and animal life. Efforts are underway to protect remaining forests, promote sustainable practices, and educate future generations about the importance of conservation. Majestic heights, flowing waters, mountains, and rivers of Ghana. Ghana's landscape is punctuated by majestic mountains and meandering rivers, each playing a vital role in shaping the country's geography, culture, and economy. These natural wonders are not just scenic beauties, but are deeply intertwined with the lives of the people who inhabit this land. The Akufo-Addo mountain range, stretching across the eastern part of the country, is a sight to behold. These mountains are covered in lush greenery, providing a habitat for diverse flora and fauna. They also offer a serene escape for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The Volta River, Ghana's largest and most important waterway, snakes its way through the heart of the country, a lifeline for communities along its banks. This river supports agriculture, fishing, and transportation, making it indispensable to the local economy. Lake Volta, created by the Akosombo Dam, is one of the largest artificial lakes in the world, a testament to human ingenuity and a vital source of hydroelectric power for Ghana. The lake also supports fishing and provides water for irrigation, playing a crucial role in the livelihoods of many Ghanaians. These mountains and rivers are not merely geographical features. They are integral to Ghana's identity. They hold cultural significance, featuring prominently in local folklore and traditions. The natural beauty and resources they offer continue to inspire and sustain the people of Ghana. Through trials to triumph, Ghana's path to stability. Ghana's journey since independence has been marked by both challenges and triumphs. The nation has experienced periods of political instability, military coups, and economic hardship. In recent decades, Ghana has made significant strides towards democracy and economic growth. The country has held peaceful elections, witnessed the transfer of power between different political parties, and experienced steady economic progress. Ghana stands as a beacon of hope and stability in a region often plagued by conflict and instability. The rhythm of Ghana, music and dance as expressions of life. Music and dance are not mere forms of entertainment in Ghana. They are the very heartbeat of the nation, expressions of life, history, and spirituality. Each region, each ethnic group boasts its unique musical traditions and dance forms. The Ashanti are renowned for their Adawa dance, a highly energetic and expressive dance performed at festivals and celebrations. The Yu, known for their drumming prowess, captivate audiences with their Agbadza dance, a mesmerizing fusion of rhythm, movement, and storytelling. Music and dance are the threads that connect generations, the rhythms that unite communities, and the melodies that tell the story of Ghana. Ghana today, a beacon of hope and progress. Ghana stands at a crossroads, poised between a rich past and a future brimming with possibilities. The nation has emerged as a beacon of hope and progress in West Africa, its economy steadily growing, its democracy strengthening, and its people striving to create a brighter future. Challenges remain, of course. However, there is a palpable sense of optimism in the air, a belief that Ghana is on the right track. The Ghanaian people, with their characteristic resilience, determination, and entrepreneurial spirit, are driving the nation forward. Conclusion: Ghana's enduring legacy. Ghana's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, the power of unity, and the enduring beauty of cultural diversity. From the echoes of ancient kingdoms to the triumph of independence, from the vibrant tapestry of cultures to the breathtaking landscapes, Ghana captivates the heart and stirs the soul. Let us remember Ghana not just for its gold or its history, but for its indomitable spirit, its vibrant culture, and its unwavering belief in a brighter tomorrow.